Thank you for checking out AutoDrill's videos. We have a Series 5000 AutoDrill shown here, and we are going to go over the procedure from switching from a multiple spindle head back to a standard chuck with the Morse Taper 2 shank. We have the multiple spindle head adapter shown here. We've removed the head just so that things are a little easier to see and a little easier to do for this demonstration video. But the first thing that we're going to do is on the bottom of the drill, I don't know how well you can see that, there are two fasteners there. We're going to loosen those two fasteners so that the adapter can be pulled out of the stop collar on this unit. Once those are loosened, you should be able just to twist that and pull it directly out. That's step one of the process. Step two is to get a 3/8 inch pusher rod and to put it in the back of the spindle on your auto drill. You should be able to do this without removing the motor or the plate. Just take the guard off and you'll tap that rod and this Morse Taper 2 shank will just pop right out. So now you have the driver taken out, and what you'll do next is you will have an aluminum ring that was removed from the drill when you switched over to a multiple spindle head, or provided by AutoDrill if this is a first-time purchase. That ring is going to be inserted in place of the multiple spindle head adapter. It may take a little bit of playing around to get that in. From time to time, those rings will actually just get caught up in there a little bit. You'll want to probably work that in a little bit with a rubber mallet. Very carefully. You don't want to ruin the ring, of course. You may experience these same challenges. What you will notice is that the bearings on this spindle are actually protruding from the drill slightly. And the reason that they're protruding a little bit is we have not fully installed the spindle. This is just an example video only. Your bearings will actually be pushed all the way into the quill, and you'll see a snap ring there holding that in. So once you have this aluminum ring in, you'll be able to retighten those two fasteners that you loosened before to remove the adapter, which we'll do right now. This essentially squeezes this stop collar down onto the aluminum ring. And the next step is to take, obviously this bore is already clean, so we've cleaned it, but the next step is to take the Morse Taper 2 tooling that you have to clean off that Morse Taper 2, maybe wipe it down with acetone or so, and then you'll press it right into the spindle. If it has a drive tang, you'll rotate it to match it up with the internals of the spindle. You'll use a rubber mallet, which we're not going to do here, just for the sake of being able to get this back out easily, but typically you would give that just a light tap, you know, a couple pounds of force just to knock it in, and then you're ready to go. Of course, if you have a tool like this that we've shown with a drawbar thread in the rear, you will then reinstall your drawbar in the back of the unit, suck it up tight with the drawbar, and you're ready to go. If you have any questions about this process, please give us a call. We thank you for your business.